Are you part of the recently selected candidates for the GCUB-MOB 4th edition? This video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Do not skip any part of this video. Let's go. So guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today, it's nice seeing you guys, and congratulations once again to the selected candidates for the GCUB-MOB 4th edition. Here I have with me some listed to do for those that have been selected in the recent GCUB-MOB application. Very first thing you have to do before I proceed to that, if you are watching my channel for the very first time, kindly click on the subscribe button, follow my channel for more educational videos, and make sure you share this video. All right, let's go. On the 7th of November 2025, GCUB actually sent an acceptance letter across to the selected candidates for the 4th edition. Here is what is in the letter. You'll find a PDF inside this letter, and you also find a link. Now, let's start from the PDF. What is the PDF actually meant for? The PDF is meant for you to fill some personal details, your name, your email, your phone number, the name of the school which you have been selected to, contact address, and the rest. So what you do is you're going to fill this form. You'll find this form at the very far end of your email. You're going to fill this form, save it as PDF. Then the link, you're going to be clicking on that link. There are also some personal details to fill. Fill them. Then there's a space for you to actually upload this PDF you just filled. You're actually going to be uploading this PDF. Also, you'll be uploading an identity, like an identification for yourself. You can actually upload your international passport as a foreign candidate. So after this, you proceed to like sending an email to your coordinator, your course coordinator in the HEI that actually selected you. That is the higher educational institution you got selected into. So what you are going to be putting inside this email, like it's a separate email aside from what GCUB sent you. Now you're sending an email to the school and to the department you got selected into for your GCUB application. So what you're going to be doing is send an email, introduce yourself that you just got selected to the department in the school, uh, thank them, appreciate them for selecting you or making you one of their candidates. Then after this, you proceed on asking about the requirement needed for your visa application. While waiting for the response and admission letter from your department, the next thing for you to do is to authenticate your document in preparation for your visa application. So after getting your admission letter, your school is going to be telling you what is also needed from their own department for you to proceed for your visa application. So after receiving your admission letter, the next thing for you to do is to proceed for your visa application. So once again, if you are just coming across my channel for the very first time, this is Do It Yourself DIY Brazil. Kindly click on the subscribe button below, turn on your notification bell for more educational videos. Make sure you like and share this video. I recently wrote a book on Brazil Study Visa Guide. So if you are interested in purchasing this book, kindly find the link attached to this video description. If you don't want to pay anybody or any agent for your visa application, trust me, you can do it yourself by just reading the guides in this book. Find the link in this video description. I hope to see you in Brazil very soon. Ciao, ciao.